Welcome to UX Shape. This is James. Today we're going to be looking at sliders. Yes, sliders using Axure RP. We're going to design a slider. Let me show you an example of a slider or what I mean. We're going to be designing something like this. Before we get started, we're going to do something like this. You can see this Adidas website, the slider moving left, right, left, right. Yep. We're just going to be doing something very simple as that. So let's go back to Axure and let's get started. First of all, we need a rectangle widget. Let's just make it any size for now. I'll say 800 or let's say 900. Let's just say 900. Let's have this color. Remove the banner. To achieve this slider, we need to use dynamic panel. So we're going to right click and create dynamic panel. If you don't see that, this is how you actually get that. You right click, go to dynamic panel, convert to dynamic panel, and you can give your dynamic panel a name. So that's a slider demo. We want to have 3 states. We're going to create 3 different states of slider. So we're going to say slider 1. Close that. We can change it here. We're going to say slider 1 and slider 2, slider 3. Yeah, so once we have that, we're going to copy this image and we're going to place it in every we're going to go to the state 1 and copy each of these, each widget, and paste it here. So we change the color. Let's change this to orange, and let's change this to dark gray. So you see the state 1 is green, state 2 is dark gray, state 3 is orange. So let's get rid of those ones for now. So the next thing we're going to do is to have a shape that we use to control the slider effect. We can use any shape, but I'll just bring this button shape here, and then I'll select shape and select right rectangle. We can make it bigger if we want, and we're going to select shape and left rectangle. Let's remove the borders as well. Okay, so let's make sure they are all aligned properly. Yep, and let's see if they're staying in the middle of the page. Yep. Okay. So what we can ungroup this back again. So the next thing we're going to do is to add an interaction to it. So we go to this interaction widget, interaction and note, and we click on this event, on click event, and we're going to move down to dynamic panel. We select the demo and we say select one, or you can possibly just say next, and it will just go to the next slider, next state, and next state, and next state, as many states as you want. So you can repeat if you want it to, happen automatically, but for now just leave it as for us to have that click event. So we click on that and we've started that. Then we go to the next event and we select the same thing, and now we click previous. The last time we click next, and this time we're going to click previous. We can have animation. I think this goes left and this should go right. So let's try and preview what we have now. As you can see, it's going, the slider is changing, and when you hit at the last banner, which is the orange, it doesn't move anymore, so nothing can happen. The second one as well, same thing, so everything is working very perfect. And like I said, there is a demo slider. You can add anything you want to add to it. So let's say we had text on each of the states. For example, if we go to slider 1 and we say let's say this is slider demo 1. This is slider demo 1. Let's just change this color so that I can see white here. That's good. And we can copy this same thing and paste it here, and paste it there. So we change it to slider 3, so that you actually know that this slider is moving once we do the click event. And this is fully interactive. So let's preview our work. Let's just go back and refresh this page. Now we've got demo 1. Once I click this, we have demo 2. Once I click this, we have demo 3. And nothing happens when you click it, because obviously it's gone. No slider left to be displayed. Or you can go back to the previous one, which is the black and then the green. And that is how we have it. We have the green first, the black second, and we have the orange third. So the green first, the black second, and the orange third. The black second and the green first. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. A simple slider demo using Axure RP 7.0. You can always use 8.0. I've installed 8.0, but you still need to get used to it before jumping into using the version 8.0. It's very good version, I must say. But I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and leave a comment below if you like it, and any question I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you very much. Bye.